Hello, and welcome to the Forefront Technologies demo series. Today we're going to do a quick demo on the application Xtender platform. It's another platform from the OpenText team that really allows you to simplify document management, and we're going to take a quick look at that today. It's a web-based application, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sign in to the application under my login, and I have access to multiple different applications from different departments. And you can see on the left hand side here I've got a few different applications, and I can click on my AP application and I can open that up, and I may have saved queries. I can, as you can see, I can add new documents, I can do a search, and I can just go run one of my existing searches and find my Mountain Office Supply invoices, and then from there you can see my list of invoices. I can start working on them. I can open one and open that document in the viewer, see all of the metadata on the right hand side. Again, simple, easy. Now we're able to move to electronic documents and quickly access the information we need and get our work done. So I can now always navigate back, put back on AP, and go back to the home page of the application. And AP is very similar to other areas, whether it's HR, and I could click on that and again go to my HR application, and as you see here, now I can start searching for documents by the employee's name, the ID, their hire date, and so I can find my HR documents that way. So again, very simple, easy to use. So when we talk about quality documents, many times you don't want users to be able to access every application. So I'm going to log in as Dennis, another user, and he only works with quality. And so as Dennis logs in, notice he only sees one application here. So now we're talking a little bit more about security, how you can limit that security of what users have access to. And so you saw when I first logged in, I saw some of the recently worked on documents that I had, but on our home page of the application, we've got different searches. And I may want to be able to work with my draft documents, or I need to see documents that have been sent for review. So we may have documents that procedures we need to create and route and work and send to different individuals. Or we may even have effective procedures. So procedures, and let's go ahead and run this query. And here we can see where we have different documents that have already been reviewed and approved, and they're effective now. So, and we'll just pick on the one here at the top, our criminal background checks, and we can open that, and we can see now we see that actual document, and we can see information about it on the right hand side, some of the metadata, and we can page through the different documents, looking at different pages and working with that document. All very simple, straightforward, and easy to use. And anytime we need to go back, I can navigate back to that query, and I can run a different query if I want to, or I can navigate back to the application. And I may have documents I need to review, and so you can see I've got my queue here to see all the documents that are at the review state, and it lets me know I don't have it. So that's good. I've gotten my work done. Let's go run another view for maybe some documents we have at draft, and you can see how again we have a few documents there and different metadata that we have here on the documents. And I can again always navigate back, and I can see if I want to look at approved work instructions or documents that have been approved between a certain date and time. I can quickly find those as well, and I'll do that, and I can see there I've got a few that have been approved. And let's say I have this, I can click on this and it kind of gives me a thumbnail of the document, and I can, let's say at laptop procedure and my criminal background checks, I could select two different ones, and you can see it opens up some more action items of what I can do with that document. And if I need to go in and or before I even do that, we can see the approved date and the review date. So now if we have documents that need to be reviewed at a certain time frame, we can have certain queues and views set up for those as well, so we can see when we need to review those documents. But again, back to my two documents I selected, I could quickly, if I needed to export them, print them out, or email them, or even submit them somewhere, I could do that. If I needed to email them, I could click on email, and I could start typing in my email. Please review these procedures and take a look and approve. I can send the attachments as links, which is, since they're already scanned and in the system, that's probably the best bet. But if I wanted to send them as PDFs, I could do that. I click on email, and then the job's going to run in the background to go in and create our documents, and then our email is going to open. And there you can see now I've got links to those documents in an email. So it's a great way to send documents around inside the organization and be able to, again, keep it simple and easy for users to navigate with what they're working on. And so again, great way to share work. And again, we're limiting to just our quality team, so they can just work with their documents. And I could go in if I needed to add a new document. I could still bring in a new document. And when I do that, you can see some of the data fields in items that we can add there, from the title, the type, the document. And you can see we've got different types here, whether it's a record, work instruction, or just miscellaneous type documents. All this is fully configurable, so we can all these data fields can match your business rules, what you need, from the department to the author to the approver. And again, keeping it simple and allowing our users to quickly find and work and deal with the documents that they work with on their team. So I hope this has given you a kind of a quick high-level overview of what you're able to do with the application Xtender platform. We've enjoyed having the demo with you today. And again, if you need more information, if you'd like to get in, set to schedule a longer demo to go into more details, we'll be happy to do that. My contact information is there. And again, thank you very much, and we appreciate your time.